Today I'm here to share with you some mini reviews on my empties. Welcome to my channel where I love to talk about all things beauty and beyond. I'm Amy and I have in front of me everything that I used up in the month of August that is beauty related. I have these again kind of back to old school, categorized by bad, medium, and awesome. Definite repurchase. So I'm here to share with you my thoughts on these products. Some of them didn't really work for me and some of them did. And if I'm not like vibing with the product and you did, why don't you let me know below how you made that work for you. The first thing I'm going to start with is this kind of like a mini size of the Pureology Color Fanatic 21 Essential Benefits like color care spray kind of thing. My main complaint about this is the smell. Pureology stuff smells really good, but there was something weird about this smell that I just did not like. So, I mean, I didn't pay for this. It was a sample, but I definitely wouldn't buy this because the smell was not good. And speaking of smell, I don't know if it's normal or not, but this is the Ordinary 100% organic cold pressed rosehip seed oil. I've in the past used marula oil, and so I thought, hey, I'm gonna try rosehip seed oil. I've heard that's really great for your skin. I got to about right here, and then I posted on my community tab, hey, is this supposed to smell fishy? And people were like, no, it's not. And so I just can't. I cannot make myself use this. I'm calling this an empty. It's going in the trash, and it's a definite hard pass for me because it smells so disgusting. And I will just, if I want to use a facial oil, I will go back to marula oil. Thank goodness that was the Ordinary and it wasn't that expensive. The other thing that is a pass for me is this Dime Eyelash Boost Serum. I had started using this and the Grande, which you'll see in just a second, like lash serum to help kind of grow my lashes and my eyebrows back in from, you know, I guess middle-agedness, and they're falling out and kind of getting short. This did nothing for my eyelashes, not at all. And I do know I sleep on this side, so these lashes are shorter than these. But yeah, this did absolutely nothing, and I used it just as directed. I used it every day, sometimes every other day, but I was very consistent in using this for a good 3 or 4 months, and there was no progress to be made or to be seen. And so I don't mind maybe trying another lash serum. Not sure if that one just wasn't the right one for me. I don't know. I'm sure you can hear in the background every time I come in here to get ready and film, especially, my two sweet puppies are here and they're playing. The final two things that were a definite hard pass for me is this Kilian Apple Brandy perfume and this J'adore perfume from Dior. Both of these just have a scent that is too heavy for me and not really the vibe that I like to go for when I am wearing perfume. Now the medium category, this is a perfume that I did enjoy. It's a sample of the Alien Muggler Goddess perfume, and I enjoyed this. I do like the Alien line of perfumes, and I would buy this again if it were like on sale. You know, perfumes, I have to be like fully in love and can't stop thinking about that perfume in order to pay full price. While this one is very nice and I do enjoy it, this one is one where I would need for it to be like on sale or, you know, 5 times the points or something like that in order to buy that. I also had like, you know, meh feelings about the Benefit Professional sample that I finished up. This is definitely very mattifying, and a little bit of this goes a very long way. So if you are dry skinned, you will stay far away from this. but I do tend to have somewhat normal to oily skin, and so this is something that I definitely used, but in conjunction with either a really hydrating sunscreen. I used this in conjunction also with the e.l.f. Halo Glow liquid filter, which added some of that life back to my skin that this kind of took away. So you have to be very careful with this. Not that it's bad, but you know, certain groups of people would not like that. I also finished up one of these minis of the Laneige sleeping mask in the flavor Mint Cocoa. I do enjoy the sleeping mask, but Mint Cocoa isn't something that I really am passionate about to buy a full size of this. This came in a set that had 5 flavors or whatever, and so I had discovered a really awesome flavor that I loved, which was gummy bear. I would buy a full size of that one, but this one, it was fine. I also used up this L'Oreal Midnight Serum. It's supposed to be kind of like a retinol type product. You know, I'm on a journey to find the best retinol that works for my skin. And so I wouldn't, while this wasn't bad, I wouldn't really repurchase it. And it also does have a fragrance. So if you're someone that's sensitive to fragrance, you might want to consider. It's not super, super heavy, but it does have a fragrance. But it's a very nice glass bottle, very nice details, and the color is very elegant. So, you know, it was nice to try, but I wouldn't buy it again. And while this is my second one of these to buy, the Way Volume Spray, I wouldn't buy this again either, just because I don't feel like it's, I don't know, I'm not a big hair person, and so I, you know, try to do things here and there to help my fine hair bump up the volume and make it not be quite so flat on my face. And this does that, but I don't know I mean, not that this is bad, but if it were on, you know, sale or a deal or something like that, I would probably buy it, but definitely not full price, because, you know, I'm just not a hair care kind of gal. But okay, so now we have the 3 top things that I used up in the month of August. As mentioned before, I used up a full size of the Grande Brow Enhancing Serum, and I really do, which I have filled in my brows, but I really do feel like I could tell a difference in what my brows looked like before and after this, to the point where for the first time in a long time that I can remember, I had to start kind of even cleaning up underneath of my brow, because there were even some hairs that were starting to grow back underneath of my brow. Whereas, you know, when I was in my 20s and 30s, I would have to clean up under this, you know, brow bone area once a week, and having to do that. But it's been years since I've had to tweeze some hairs. So I feel like this did a really great job. I'm working on a mini right now, and I'm hoping that this will be on sale for Black Friday, and I will definitely buy it once it's on sale. These next 2 things have been repeated repurchases by me, and they are definitely worth an investment, or worth your time if you're interested. The first one that I would love to share with you is the Tree Hut Shave Oil in the scent Tahitian Vanilla Bean. We do have another vanilla scent that's not the vanilla bean scent. This one is sort of a perfumey vanilla scent, and I do love this so much. I love the shave oils because I feel like they do a great job of protecting my skin and giving my skin some moisture back, and I don't feel like it clogs up my razors or anything like that. It's a great product, and I'm currently working on the coconut lime scent. And the last thing that I have to share with you, this is probably the 10th tub of this that I have bought. It is my maybe number 2, maybe 1A, and then 1B favorite cleansing balm from Clinique, and it's the Take the Day Off cleansing balm. I love this so much that this is the largest size of the tubs that you can buy. It is the 6.7 ounce tub. I love this for many, many reasons. It is very creamy and not like crumbly. It doesn't leave a film on my eyes. It fully takes off makeup and mascara and all of that good stuff. Sometimes I do have to go in and kind of clean up underneath of my bottom lashes, but this really does an excellent job. There's no fragrance. It is a workhorse kind of product that's definitely worth your investment. This will be on sale for later on in the Ulta 21 Days of Beauty. Now, I don't pick this size, but the other normal size, and I will be buying that. Is probably the only thing that I will buy because I'm going to go through it for sure. Thank you so much for watching all the way through. Let me know some advice on maybe this marula oil. Is it normal for this to stink? Let me know, you know, what your favorite is out of all of my empty trash. I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Damn.